Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? My name is Sandro and I've been diligently working as a dedicated DBA for many years now, gaining extensive experience across various database technologies and platforms. You know, I have also worked for many years as a data engineer and BI analyst, and I want to invite you, especially those of you who work with SQL Server, like my students who have already taken my SQL Server course, to enroll in this course, okay? The fundamental idea of this comprehensive course is to provide you with the essential main tools that will effectively help you as a dedicated SQL Server DBA to thoroughly monitor your entire environment, okay? Or even to effectively run comprehensive load tests, rigorous stress tests, and meticulously perform your detailed analyses using readily available and completely free third-party tools, all right? I'll also show you the absolute holy grail of incredibly powerful scripts that are extensively used by top-tier, highly skilled database administrators around the entire world, okay? These are truly amazing, completely free, and exceptionally valuable scripts as well. And if you don't know about them yet, you most definitely should become familiar with them, all right? They were originally developed by the three biggest, most influential gurus, in my humble opinion, of the entire SQL Server world, right? And I'm going to show them to you in this course, okay? I'll also bring scripts that I developed and use in my daily work, which help me a lot when analyzing performance-related issues in the SQL Server environment. All right, everyone? So that's it. Let's now move on to the next comprehensive lesson, where we will meticulously look at an absolutely amazing and incredibly powerful dashboard tool that allows you to centrally and efficiently monitor all your crucial SQL Server instances very quickly and effectively. This remarkable tool enables you to thoroughly check for specific and critical issues related to overall performance, problematic and inefficient queries, extensive disk usage, essential backups that aren't being performed as scheduled, and significant database integrity problems, okay? It's a truly cool, incredibly amazing, and completely free tool that you can easily and seamlessly deploy within your existing environment, right? If you do not already possess a valuable tool such as this one, I genuinely believe it would be a very wise decision for you to utilize this particular tool, or indeed any of the other excellent and readily available tools. Wouldn't you agree? There are several free and paid tools out there, right? I'll show you some free tools that will help you in your daily work as a DBA and will also help your company monitor its environment, right? I'm also going to bring you a really cool tool that will let you run simulations, okay? Load testing on your queries or on third-party queries, aiming to improve the performance of these queries, all right? And throughout the course, whenever possible, I'll be adding new tools, and you can make suggestions as well. And I'll keep adding new scripts, okay? So guys, thanks, and let's keep moving forward.